Namaste all of you. My name is Dr. Ritu Singh Rajput, Faculty of Agriculture and Veterinary Science. Today we will discuss about the R bioinformatics practical, which is to study about the different biological databases in the variable formats. To study about the study of the gene lecture, we are discuss about we are discuss about the three types of databases, which is primary databases, secondary databases, and the composite databases. In primary databases, we have obtained experimental example of the 3D structure of protein from the example of the gene bank, DDBH, DDBJ, and Swiss prot. In the secondary databases, we have analyzes the primary data giving rise to the development of the secondary databases from process PFAM and MIDD. And in the composite databases, we use different primary databases in their algorithm to solve any queries. Study about the gene bank is the gene bank is an NIH genetic sequence with a noted collection of the publicly available DNA sequences. Gene bank is a part of international nucleotide sequence databases collaboration with the compromise of the DNA Gene Bank, DDBJ, and the EMBL, which is European Nucleotide Archives, ENA, and the Gene Bank at the NCBI. There are three organizations which is work daily on this particular site. You have to go the www.ncbi.nlm.gov/genebank and identify the particular isolate from the particular databases. Study about the gene bank format is the gene bank format is the consist of the annotations section and the sequence section to the nucleotide and the protein databases, which is called GenBank for the nucleotide and for the protein GenPep. Databases entries are available for the entrance in the format. The start of the annotation section is marked by the line beginning with the word locus, and the start of the sequence section is marked by the line beginning with the word origin, and the end of the section the marked by the line with this slash slash. So this is all about the different types of biological databases, which is also NCBI, GenBank, DDBJ, and Process, PFAM, and SwissPro. Thank you.